Welcome back to the channel. Toyota, one of the most trusted car companies in the world. But this time, Toyota is making headlines for a major issue. The company has recalled roughly 394,000 vehicles in the United States because of a serious software fault in the Rearview camera. According to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, the recall affects 2022 to 2025 Toyota Tundra and Sequoia models. The problem lies in the software of the 14-inch multimedia display. In certain situations, when the driver shifts into reverse, the camera screen turns partially or completely green, or sometimes goes completely black, meaning the rear view disappears entirely. That's a dangerous safety risk because the main purpose of a rear view camera is to prevent accidents while reversing. If it doesn't work, the driver has no idea what's happening behind the vehicle. Toyota has confirmed the models are included in the recall. Toyota Tundra 2022 to 2025, both gas and hybrid. Toyota Sequoia 2023 to 2025, hybrid models. The company says the issue is only a software bug. Toyota dealerships will update the software for all affected vehicles free of charge. Official recall letters will begin reaching customers by November 2025. So far, no accidents or injuries have been reported, but Toyota is taking this step as a precaution to avoid violating the Federal Motor Vehicle Safety Standard, specifically the Rear Visibility Law. If you own a Toyota Tundra or Sequoia from these model years, check your VIN on Toyota's official website or in NHTSA's recall database to confirm whether your vehicle is affected. This recall reminds us that even the biggest companies sometimes face technical problems. What really matters is how transparently and responsibly they handle them. And in this case, Toyota has acted quickly and taken responsibility. If you found this video informative, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments. Do you still trust Toyota the same way?